Hello kids, welcome to KiddosTV. Today we are going to learn 1 to 9. So we will be writing all these numbers with different colors. This is number 1. 1 1 1. This is number 2. 2 2 2. This is number 3. 3 3 3. This is number 4. 4 4 4. This is number 5. 5 5 5. This is number 6. 6 6 6. This is number 7. 7 7 7. This is number 8. 8 8 8. This is number 9. 9 9 9. Thank you kids for writing this with me. I hope you like this video. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye. See you in the next video.